Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Baldur's Gate 3 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you are logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search box, and now just type in Baldur's Gate 3 to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. If you scroll down, you will see the Add to Cart button. Just click on this button and then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. You can then use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just enter your credentials followed by your billing information. And once you complete the transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. And now you can start enjoying the Baldur's Gate 3 game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Baldur's Gate 3. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.